about 7:30 yesterday. We're taking the children to school, and we crossed over the bridge. We could see the river was rising, and there was a bit of flood water down further on down, about 10 minutes. We turned around, came back, and stopped on the bridge for a bit of a look, and just drove off the bridge. And about 5 minutes later, the big log jam built up and the bridge went. Took out the bridge, and the water sort of surged down, took out the power pole, power lines, and yeah.
So you were really very lucky?
I'd say we were very lucky, yeah.
Oh, so how many people were in the vehicle?
Oh, there was 5 of us.
So
yeah, we had 3 adults and 2 children. We were doing the Monday morning run, taking the children to school.
So fuck these things. Fucking Jesus fucking Christ. So,
yeah.
So how do you get across the river?
Apart from swimming, which I can't do very well, no, we've got a log skidder down there, so we'll just use that. We brought the 4-wheel drive over this morning on the back of the big trailer, so we'll leave that parked here for as long as it takes, and we'll just cross on the log skidder. She'll be good.
Alright, sweet. I guess you should show me how you do that.
Yeah, well...
I know you're dying to.
Yeah, as long as you're going to stand on the back.
Fucking oath.
No trouble at all.
What's that?
Well, this is the extremes that some people will go to get a trophy fish. Bit of electrocution in the water here.
So this fish got electrocuted when the lines come out. Tell us more about this.
Well, there was a trout and a couple of eels just there. Must have got electrocuted, and taken a bit of shelter here in the little leeway. And before the power could get turned off, they copped it. But
well, you're isolated up here. Haven't you got this in the bloody freezer?
It'll definitely be on the menu for tea tonight.
Oh, it's in good shape, is it?
Yeah, no, it's a good fat fish. It'll be right. Yeah.
So you've figured out a new way to go fishing?
For sure.